Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa, and if you're new here, it's great to have you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this lovely slick ponytail. So stay tuned and let's get into it. To start off, I'm going to be going in with my brush, and I'm just going to be using it to smooth my hair up so my ponytail will be nice and laid. After doing so, I'm going to be going in with my Eco Styler gel, and I'll be applying that to my edges and all around the perimeter of my hair. You're going to need a lot of gel for this one. I don't mind putting a lot of gel in my hair because I'm going to be washing it right after I take this style down. After applying my gel, I'm going to be going in with my brush just to slick my hair down a little bit more, and then I'll just go in with my hair tie. Once my ponytail is tied, I'm going to be going in with my toothbrush, and I'll just be separating my baby hair. After that's all done, I put it in a bun, and then I go in with my freeze spray. And I'm telling you, I am going in with this, okay? There's going to be a lot of products between the gel, the freeze spray, and my mousse, but it's all good. At least my hair will be laid. It's been a little while since I've texlaxed my hair, so as you can see, I have some new growth and they're really curly. After doing that, I'm going to be going in with my rapid strip, and I'll just be using these to tie my hair down so it lays nice and flat. I kept these strips on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I purchased these from my local beauty supply store. Let me just go ahead and bring you guys in a little bit closer so you can see how nicely my hair set in place. And after that, I just go in with my blow dryer. So if you'd like for your bangs, you can use Got2b glue for another layer of protection, or you can just go ahead with your Diamond Bond protective shield. So I have this, so I'm just going to be using it. But if you don't have it, you can go ahead with your Got2b glue free spray. So I'm going to be going in with my Roberts Diamond Bond, and I'll just be spreading this all over where I want to glue my bang. And this just protects your hair from being damaged by the glue or being pulled out. After I apply that, I'll just go in with my blow dryer and make sure that it's dried properly. The hair that I'll be using today is actually some hair that I purchased off AliExpress a couple years ago, guys, no joke. I went ahead and measured the length of the hair that I want, and I'm gonna be going in with my Salon Pro bonding glue. Whenever I'm doing my bangs, the higher I position the weave, the shorter the width of the weave gets, if you know what I mean. So by the time I'm finished placing these weave, I'd have like a triangular shape. So if you look closely, you'll see that the higher I go, the shorter my weave becomes. After laying the weave down, I go in with my blow dryer on cool setting, and that just helps to keep the weave nicely in place, and it helps the glue to dry a little bit faster. To close my bang off, I'm going to be gluing my final two pieces of track, but what I'll be doing is I'll straighten this piece out, and I'll be curving it a little bit just to give it the illusion of being curved over. And whenever I glue this track, I'm going to be gluing it a little bit different. I'm going to be gluing it facing my ponytail because I want to be able to flip that over to give the illusion as if the hair is coming from my scalp. Going through it with my comb to ensure that it's laying the way I want it to. So now that my bangs have been completely flat ironed, I'm gonna be going in with my Got to Be Glued Ultra and my Lottabody setting lotion. I'll be mixing both of those together, and then I'll be slicking my hair in a circular motion using my brush. After that's all done, I use my Got to Be Glue Freeze Spray to set everything in place, and then I go ahead and add my rapid strips to hold my edges down. These babies will be laid. To get started on the ponytail, I'll begin by braiding my hair. This ponytail requires no glue whatsoever. It's quick and easy to install, and it's snatch proof. Begin by attaching the tip of my hair and the edge of the weave together using an elastic band. After applying the elastic band, I'll be wrapping the weave around my braid. I'll be using about 3 to 4 rubber bands throughout the whole process of doing the ponytail. So I'll just let you guys watch and see how I do it. Wherever my bundle ends, I'll be using another elastic band to attach that. So once you've arrived at the end of your ponytail, what you're going to want to do is separate that little piece of hair that's at the end, and I'm going to go ahead and straighten that and wrap it around the base of my ponytail. And I just straighten it so it looks a little bit more crisp at the root of the ponytail. So it's just nice. I kind of like that look. If you want that wrap to be a little bit thicker at the base of your ponytail, you just go ahead and repeat the step. After doing this, I'm going to be smoothing things out with my comb and my Got to Be Glue Freeze Spray, and I'll be wrapping that in tightly. This ponytail is not going nowhere, okay? It ain't moving. After this is all done, I go in and I add a little bit of Lottabody lotion to the ponytail just to give it a little bit of a wet crinkle look, and you know, it also freshens the hair. I'll pull my wrap strip off and I'll let you guys watch as I swoop this bang. Swooping the bang is pretty easy. It's literally going in with my brush and my Got2b glue free spray, and I'll just be brushing that in place and wrapping it around the base of the ponytail. The easiest thing that works for me is brushing the hair in place, spraying it with the Got2b glue free spray, and letting it dry for a little bit before I wrap it around my ponytail. Look at that. Slay, baby. Slaying. Anyways, guys, this concludes the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps anyone that's trying to do a sleek ponytail. If you enjoyed watching and you'd like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the family. Until next time, toodaloo!